Good morning, everybody. It's Will here. I hope you're having a great time. Today we're at Union Station in Los Angeles, and we are taking a train from here, Los Angeles, to San Diego, and let's check it out. First, I can't stress enough how beautiful I think this station in Los Angeles is. Beautiful! Today we're trying Amtrak's business class.
Ladies and gentlemen, this will be the southbound Amtrak train 1566 en route to San Diego with all intermediate stops.
I bought a business class ticket because I read the second floor was better to appreciate the ocean view. I thought that only the business class car had 2 floors, but no, the train was entirely double-decker. The tray table is interesting. The legroom was amazing. Power outlet. And if you're traveling with family, there's also the table option. There was complimentary Wi-Fi. It wasn't the fastest, but was quite good. We left Los Angeles at 8:20 in the morning, and you can see the downtown area in the back. But let me show you more of the business class car. This is space for luggage and water. The restroom looks like an airplane restroom. There's orange juice, there's water, some pastries, coffee. We are approaching Anaheim Station, and that's the Angel Station, home of the Los Angeles Angels. From 1997 to 2005, the team was owned by Walt Disney Company. In this period, it was called Anaheim Angels. Let's explore the lower deck. Oh, and finally the ocean.
Ladies and gentlemen, now arriving oceanside. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're now arriving our last and final station south of downtown San Diego. This is Santa Fe Depot. Look around your seat, gather your personal belongings.
So after 3 hours, we arrived in San Diego. The trip was very nice. The train is very comfortable. So I think it's a very good experience. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and I see you in our next video. Eu acho que esse que tá vindo aí é o que a gente vai pegar. Vamos ver.